Hello, my name is Jackie Hutton from Clinical Trials Ontario. This video tutorial will demonstrate how to navigate the Correspondence feature in CTO Stream. The Correspondence feature facilitates communication between the research team and REB of record. This feature can be used to ask the REB a specific question about your application. Correspondence is not designed for communication between members of the study team. For this, use the Comments feature. Documents submitted to the REB via correspondence will not appear on the REB approval or acknowledgement letter. Only the documents uploaded to a submission can appear on the letter. Log in to your CTO Stream account and select the project you wish to send a correspondence on. Click on the specific application you would like to send a correspondence about from the project tree. Just a note, if your message is not regarding any one specific form, you can select the Provincial Initial Application or the applicable Centre Initial Application to send your message. Create a message on the selected application by either clicking the Correspond button in the Actions menu or the New Correspondence button in the Correspondence tab while the form is selected in the project tree. Enter your message in the pop-up window and attach any documents if needed. Remember, documents submitted via correspondence will not appear on the REB approval or acknowledgement letter. Press the green Send button at the bottom of the pop-up window to send your message to the REB. A green Correspondence Sent message will appear at the top of the screen to confirm that your message was properly sent. When the REB replies, they have the option to send an email notification of their response to all users with a role or just a selection of users with a role on the application form. The project owner, form owner, and user that sent the original message will automatically receive a notification when the REB replies to a correspondence message from the study team. When the REB creates or responds to a correspondence message, an email is sent from donotReply@infonetica.net to the applicants mentioned earlier. The link in the email will direct you to the Correspondence tab of the form the message was sent on. Anyone else with access to the form that the message was sent on in CTO Stream will be able to view the correspondence message, but will not be notified by email. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about CTO Stream or are having technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a help desk ticket. For more CTO Stream video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets, visit ctontario.ca.